Hey guys, I just want to give you guys an update on Flossy because I realized the last video you saw of Flossy was right when I got the engine back from the machine shop, and we have come a long way. The last couple of days was some major progress. So the engine is assembled. It is completely built, all new stuff inside, painted. It looks super cool. I mean, look at the freedom radiating off of that valve cover. This is so sick. And yeah, everything went good on the assembly. No issues actually at all. So it is good, and then it is now set in the frame. We got transmission. There we go. Got the transmission in, new clutch flywheel. Transmission's rebuilt. Transfer case wasn't rebuilt, but I mean, it got gaskets and it's spray painted, so it looks like it's rebuilt. I mean, that's all the professionals do. But that is completely in there and mounted up. Drive shaft's in. Clutch is hooked up. We got distributor in, timing, starter, alternator, carb. So it is really cool. Still got the hard top on from January, last time it was run, so that's gonna have to come off. Jeep's all dirty, but yeah, other than that, wanted to update you so you know what's happening, because there should be a startup video of it hopefully running well with good oil pressure and not knocking. Fingers crossed. Hopefully pretty soon. And I got tons of footage of the rebuild process. That's gonna be a really cool edit and a cool video, but it's gonna take a long time to edit. So you'll get these short updates. Dude. And I mean, Detroit diesel green. I mean, wake up and smell the two strokes. The freedom on the valve cover. I mean, it's just cool. Basically a complete overhaul. There's not really anything else that could have been done to it. It's pretty cool. So that is awesome, and it's really nice having Flossy in the garage again. Other shop news on the other Jeep, Mr. 2 Jeep here. The other Jeep still running good, got over 1,000 miles on it already. And as you can see, it has been de-chromed, so it actually looks cool now. Got the bumpers changed, mirrors, wipers, hood latches, and it is very solid. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated when this engine hopefully starts. See y'all next time. Bye.